ashamed of him.
Don't say that.
Hey.
Oh, what is that? It's
That's
it's
a GoPro.
movie.
It's a GoPro.
It's the JD Camping Weekend. Captures person.
Right.
Hi, how are you?
Watch out. Hey, I have to approve anything that goes on the website. Watch your ass, Julie. Okay, Ray, give me the camera and show me how to work it. You never get pictures of Ray.
Smile.
Come on, Ray. I want to show me how to work it. I want to take a
Oh,
picture of
I
you.
gotta finish taking the
Oh, look at you punk.
finish taking the rest of this.
Just a little low. Yeah, the fire is a little low. You know, that's too much space. But there's enough good heat there. Now we can throw a couple of logs in there and that will make enough fire.